Hey there! Welcome to my channel Miss Too Much, the place where you learn, well, too much. From tech to art to mind-blowing facts, everything you need to know and more. Imagine working from anywhere in the world, setting your own schedule, and being your own boss. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not just a dream anymore. Welcome to the world of remote freelance jobs, where you can have the freedom to work on your terms. Whether you're a creative soul, a tech enthusiast, or a sales genius, the freelance world has something for everyone. In today's video, we're counting down the top 10 remote freelance jobs that you can start right now. Stay tuned as we break down the best opportunities, their potential earnings, and what it takes to succeed. Let's get started. At number 10 is freelance online tutor. As the name suggests, an online tutor provides tutoring to students over digital platforms. This role involves helping students in specific subjects, preparing them for exams, or offering guidance on academic topics. Online tutoring can range from one-on-one sessions to small group classes, and tutors may teach a wide array of subjects, such as math, languages, science, or even professional skills like coding or writing. As an online tutor, you can make your services available through online platforms like Chegg, work through private tutoring agencies, or even directly market your services to corporate clients. If you're listing your services on an online platform, you can stand out by getting certified in your subject matter, helping you grow your student base. Entry-level tutors get paid about $10 to $20 an hour, but you can get paid upwards of $80 an hour for specialized subjects such as coding or design tools. Next on our list is bookkeeper. A bookkeeper is responsible for maintaining accurate financial records for a business or individual. Their primary role is to record, organize, and manage financial transactions, ensuring that all financial data is up to date and accurate. Bookkeepers help businesses track their income and expenses, allowing them to maintain a clear understanding of their financial health. A bookkeeper's job responsibilities are varied and may include recording client transactions, generating invoices, reconciling bank statements, tracking expenses, and various other financial tasks. Freelance bookkeepers often work with small businesses or startups who may not require a full-time bookkeeper. The typical pay for an entry-level bookkeeper is $20 an hour, with specialized bookkeepers earning as much as $100 an hour. If you want to become a freelance bookkeeper, start by getting a certification or by studying some of the popular bookkeeping software like QuickBooks. Coming in at number 8 is freelance video editor. A freelance video editor is responsible for transforming raw footage into a polished final product, whether it's for commercials, films, social media content, or corporate videos. Video editors work closely with directors, producers, or clients to understand the desired outcome, making edits that align with the project's vision and goals. This involves cutting and rearranging clips, adding transitions, effects, sound, color correction, and sometimes special effects, depending on the scope of the project. Freelancing as a video editor can provide a lot of creative freedom, as well as the flexibility to work with multiple clients. Video editors need to be skilled in using commonly used video software such as Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. Entry-level video editors can earn $15 to $25 per hour, while expert-level editors can earn as much as $150 an hour. There are various certifications that are available for video editors, including Adobe Certified Professional, Final Cut Pro X, and many others. These certifications can make a freelancer more attractive to potential clients, showcasing their technical skills and dedication to mastering industry tools. Number 7 on our list is the freelance content creator, a highly flexible and rewarding career path. As a freelance content creator or content writer, your main responsibility is to craft compelling, relevant, and authentic content that captures the attention of target audiences. This could involve writing blog posts, building a website, or producing content for your favorite social media platforms. The primary goal is to create engaging material that resonates with your audience, promotes brands, or drives web traffic for your clients. Freelance content creators enjoy a wide range of opportunities to monetize their work. One option is to list your services on platforms like Upwork, where businesses and individuals seek skilled content creators for various projects. You can also explore earning through sponsorships and subscriptions, especially if you've built a strong online presence. For example, social media influencers often collaborate with brands for sponsored posts, while others generate income via Patreon subscriptions or similar platforms. Another lucrative avenue is affiliate marketing. By joining programs such as Amazon Associates, CJ Affiliate, Rakuten Advertising, and Bluehost, freelance content creators can earn commissions by promoting products or services through their content. Depending on the size and engagement of your audience, this can bring in anywhere from $500 to $100,000 a month. The rapid growth of e-commerce and internet-based businesses has led to a surge in demand for talented freelance content creators. Companies are constantly seeking quality content to engage audiences and enhance their online presence. Best of all, content creation can be done entirely from the comfort of your home, giving you the freedom and flexibility to work remotely while building a sustainable career. At number 6 is virtual assistant. A virtual assistant, or VA, provides administrative, technical, or creative support to clients remotely, helping businesses, entrepreneurs, and professionals manage a wide range of tasks. The role of a VA can vary depending on the needs of the client, but typically includes tasks like scheduling meetings, managing emails, data entry, travel arrangements, invoicing, and social media management. Some VAs also offer specialized services such as content creation, graphic design, or basic bookkeeping. One of the key benefits of being a virtual assistant is the flexibility to work from anywhere, allowing you to manage your time around other commitments. You can choose to work with multiple clients, which means you have the potential to diversify your income by handling different types of tasks or industries. For example, you could be assisting a real estate agent with client follow-ups, while also helping an online store manage its inventory and customer inquiries. This flexibility allows for multiple income streams, which can provide both financial security and variety in your daily routine. In terms of pay, virtual assistants typically earn between $15 to $30 per hour, depending on their skill set, experience, and the complexity of tasks. More experienced VAs who offer specialized services can earn $50 or more per hour. To find work as a VA, you can explore freelance platforms like Wishup or Zirtual, or check job boards such as We Work Remotely and FlexJobs. Building a network through LinkedIn or joining virtual assistant communities can also lead to referrals and long-term clients. Whether you're working from your kitchen table or a coffee shop, the life of a virtual assistant offers a unique blend of flexibility and diverse work opportunities. Halfway through our list of freelancing jobs is the freelance proofreader, an important role in the world of content creation. A freelance proofreader or editor is tasked with ensuring that written content is polished and free from errors. Proofreaders focus on surface-level corrections, catching issues with grammar, spelling, punctuation, and style. On the other hand, editors might go beyond these corrections and engage in deeper-level improvements. This could include enhancing the structure, clarity, tone, and overall flow of the content to ensure it aligns with the intended message and audience. Both proofreaders and editors play a vital role in maintaining the quality of various types of content, such as marketing materials, blog posts, articles, ebooks, white papers, and more. Freelance proofreaders have the flexibility to work with a variety of clients, including publishing companies, or to offer their services on online platforms like Readsy, Scribendi, or EditFast. These platforms allow proofreaders to connect with clients from all over the world, providing opportunities for both short-term projects and long-term collaborations. The pay scale for freelance proofreading jobs can vary significantly depending on the level of experience and the complexity of the work. Entry-level proofreaders may earn between $10 to $25 per hour, while more experienced editors, particularly those working with established publishing houses, can earn up to $100 an hour or more. Although formal certification isn't always necessary to start a career as a proofreader, obtaining credentials such as a Proofreading Academy certification or the Pointer Aces certificate in editing can significantly boost your credibility. These certifications can help you stand out and attract higher-paying clients, providing a strong foundation for a successful freelancing career in proofreading and editing. As a freelance proofreader, whichever direction you go, you can rely on working in a setting that brings ease and flexibility. A freelance remote software engineer works independently on software development projects from any location, offering flexibility and the opportunity to collaborate with clients across the globe. This role typically involves designing, coding, testing, and maintaining software applications, including web development, mobile app creation, back-end systems, or cloud-based solutions. To thrive as a freelance software engineer, strong proficiency in programming languages like Python, Java, JavaScript, or C++ is essential, alongside expertise in frameworks like React, Angular, or Django. Experience with databases, cloud platforms such as AWS or Google Cloud, and DevOps practices with Docker and Kubernetes is also valuable. Certifications such as AWS Certified Solutions Architect, Microsoft Certified Azure Developer Associate, or Google Professional Cloud Architect can strengthen your profile and make you stand out. Knowledge of Agile methodology, version control systems like Git, and the ability to communicate effectively are also key in collaborating with remote teams. Freelance software engineers can earn between $50 to $90 per hour, depending on experience, location, and project complexity. Junior engineers typically start at around $50,000 annually, while senior engineers with specialized expertise can command annual earnings of $100,000 to $200,000 or more. Freelance platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and TopTal offer opportunities to connect with clients seeking software engineers for specific projects. Websites like We Work Remotely, Remote OK, and AngelList are also good sources for remote freelance engineering gigs. Networking through tech communities on GitHub, Stack Overflow, and attending virtual meetups or hackathons can help expand your connections and lead to new projects. As a freelance remote software engineer, you can unlock the freedom to work from anywhere while building your career with remote job opportunities designed for flexibility and growth. Coming in at number 3 on our list is Online Translation Specialist. An online translation specialist plays a critical role in converting written content from one language to another while maintaining the integrity of the original meaning, while also preserving the tone and style of the original content. This goes beyond mere word-for-word translation. The job requires an in-depth understanding of both languages' cultural context to ensure the translation feels natural and resonates with the target audience. Successful translation specialists recognize the importance of cultural nuances, as well as the subtleties in linguistic expressions, especially in fields such as marketing, legal documentation, technical manuals, and literature, where small differences in language can have significant impacts on meaning. In this role, professionals can choose to collaborate with translation agencies, publishing houses to translate books and publications, or legal and government institutions that require precise translations of critical documents. The pay for translation specialists can range from $30 to $100 per hour, depending on their expertise and the complexity of the project. This can vary significantly based on the technicality of the subject matter, such as legal or medical translations, which often demand a higher level of precision and knowledge. In today's increasingly globalized economy, the demand for skilled translators has skyrocketed as businesses and organizations expand their operations internationally and need clear, effective communication across different languages. This creates ample opportunities for translation specialists in a wide variety of industries, making this a dynamic, flexible, and highly rewarding career choice, especially for those who prefer to work remotely as freelancers, allowing them the freedom to choose their projects and clients while building a successful career. Runner-up on our list is Freelance Sales Funnel Specialist. A freelance sales funnel specialist is an expert who designs, implements, and optimizes sales funnels to guide potential customers through the buying journey. The sales funnel, a key marketing strategy, involves several stages, starting from raising awareness, moving through consideration, and ultimately leading to a purchase. The role of a sales funnel specialist is to ensure that leads are effectively nurtured and converted into paying customers. This process helps businesses increase conversions, boost revenue, and improve overall customer retention. Freelance sales funnel specialists typically work independently, often managing multiple clients across various industries. Their primary goal is to help businesses build, monitor, and refine their sales funnels for maximum performance. To succeed in this role, a specialist must have a solid understanding of sales funnels, a deep knowledge of digital marketing tactics, and the ability to use data analytics and marketing automation tools like email campaigns to create data-driven sales funnels that convert. A key aspect of this profession is the ability to work with diverse businesses, ranging from startups to established companies. Additionally, certifications from platforms like HubSpot, Google, or ClickFunnels can significantly enhance a specialist's credibility and increase the chances of securing remote work with top-tier clients. Sales funnel specialists have a wide pay range, which can go from $20 an hour for beginners to more than $200 an hour for experts. The demand for freelance sales funnel specialists has surged with the rise of e-commerce and the digital shift of many businesses. As more companies focus on optimizing their customer journey, specialists in high-conversion strategies and advanced automation techniques find lucrative opportunities to work remotely while contributing to the growth of online businesses. This role is vital in today's fast-paced digital marketing landscape. And the winner is Freelance E-commerce Specialist. A freelance e-commerce specialist is a professional who helps businesses manage, optimize, and grow their online retail platforms. These specialists work independently, offering their services to various companies looking to improve their e-commerce presence, drive sales, and enhance the user experience on their websites. With the rise of online shopping and the growing reliance on digital commerce, e-commerce specialists have become crucial for businesses, particularly those without in-house expertise in managing complex e-commerce systems. The role of a freelance e-commerce specialist involves a wide range of tasks. They help businesses choose the right e-commerce platform, set up payment gateways, manage product listings, oversee inventory, and ensure a seamless shopping experience for customers. They are also responsible for optimizing websites for search engines and improving overall website design to boost user engagement and sales. Becoming an e-commerce specialist requires a diverse skill set. Knowledge of popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Magento, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce is essential. Additionally, expertise in website design, search engine optimization, SEO, and user experience UX are key components of the job. The ability to analyze data, track performance metrics, and adjust strategies to meet business goals is also vital. Due to the increasing demand for online shopping, experienced e-commerce specialists are highly sought after by businesses ranging from e-commerce startups to digital marketing agencies. Freelance e-commerce specialists can earn between $30 and $100 per hour, with experts in certain platforms commanding more than $200 per hour. Obtaining certifications from platforms such as Shopify, Google, or Facebook can further boost a specialist's chances of securing lucrative remote freelancing opportunities. And there you have it, my top 10 picks for freelance remote jobs that can give you the freedom and flexibility to work from anywhere in the world. Whether you're a creative, a techie, or someone with a knack for helping others, there's a remote job out there for you. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future content. Also, drop a comment below letting me know which freelance job you're most interested in, or if there's another career you'd like me to cover.